Hello. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How is everyone doing today? I hope you are doing great. I'm doing fine, thank you. Well, to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding Glennceria Loving Hands down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We are so happy you decided to be a part of our family. Well, today we are going to compare essential oils, and put them together. Okay? So let's check out this video and see if any of this information can be helpful and useful for you when you're doing your soaping making at home. Come on, let's get into this video. All right, let me put my glasses on so I'm able to read the information correctly for you. Okay, let's get into it. Essential oils that work great together, guys. Let's talk about combining essential oils that work excellent together. Okay? So, tea tree oil, we all know, is a healing oil and is excellent for acne. Okay? We also know that citronella essential oil is good for insects. Always remember that. And we'll be making some candles shortly. You can use patchouli, orange, and lemongrass. Excellent combination together. Another combination that's combined together would be great for acne. Excellent for acne if you were to put lemongrass, rosemary, and turmeric together, okay? Excellent for acne. You don't have to write this down. It will be definitely down in the description below. Cedarwood and tea tree. Cedarwood and tea tree together kill bugs, lice, and fleas. Let me say that again. Cedarwood and tea tree together kills bugs, lice, and fleas. Lemongrass, peppermint, and tea tree is excellent for eczema. Let me say that again. Lavender, peppermint, and tea tree essential oils are excellent for eczema. Okay, tangerine and lemongrass. Tangerine and lemongrass is also an excellent combination. We also have rosemary, lemongrass, and lavender, along with sweet orange essential oil. It is a great combination when you're making a facial soap for using rosum and cocoa powder. So we need to try to make that one day, okay? I also have peppermint, grapefruit, and sweet orange oil, along with Himalayan pink sea salt. Excellent in soaping. Our quote of the day is, let the good times roll. Well, let's say that again. Our quote of the day is, let the good times roll. Absolutely. Let's get back to our essential oils and working them together. Black cumin and tea tree and thyme. That's a nice scent for a man. Clary sage, peppermint, and rosemary. Okay? Clary sage, peppermint, and rosemary. Essential oils that work great together. Can you tell me in the comment section down below what 2 or 3 essential oils that you combined in your soap making process? Let me say that again. What are 2 to 3 essential oils that you use in your soap making that you combine together? Can you write it down for me down below? Thank you. quick video. That's it. I just wanted to let you know that. We'll go more into depth, and as we combine our essential oils to make our soaps, we'll talk more about it then. Have a great day. You know Glennceria Loving Hands. Mwah. Love you always. Take good care of yourself. I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share them with your friends and family. Oh, and of course, go check out my Etsy shop. There's a lot of things selling out quickly. You know, the holidays are coming up. So make sure you get in there and get some of those goodies for yourself. Have a good day. Love you. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.